And this is why we're starting out our list with Bradley, an FPV drone hit, direct hit. But what happens next? Nothing. It's like Bradley just shrugged and said, "Was that a mosquito?" This beast meets both key criteria we considered for our top picks: widespread use in the war and firepower. But our first spot isn't just about Bradley. It's the collective impact of all Western IFVs, Bradley, Marder, and CV-90, that are truly game changers for Ukrainian soldiers. Let's discuss one by one. An iconic American IFV has proven its worth in Ukraine through its advanced armament and protection. Just check out how a Bradley takes down Russia's most feared T-90 tank. Yep, with just a 25mm chain gun. It's like taking out a grizzly bear with a BB gun. And fun fact is, one of the Bradley gunners even joked that their skills came from playing video games, probably War Thunder. Who knew gaming could prepare you for the battlefield? Meanwhile, according to Forbes, the Russian army is losing about 150 armored vehicles a month, and in May 2024, that number shot up to 288. Clearly, the Bradleys aren't here to play. Similarly, the German Marder IFV, with its 20mm cannon, has shown remarkable performance against Russian BMP-2s. The Ukrainian defense minister tweeted that the Marder is an excellent example of German quality after the initial batch of 40 started arriving in late March. It's no wonder. Compared to the BMPs, the Marder is a tough customer. Before the Marders arrived, Ukrainian forces were dealing with a mix of less protected vehicles, which didn't hold up well under enemy fire. Watch how the German Marder IFV turned the tide in the Kursk invasion. Fighters from the 95th Separate Airborne Assault Brigade used the Marder to smash Russian positions in the Sudza district and Malaya Luknaya. It's like watching a tank battle from a video game, but with real explosions and no cheat codes. Here comes another Swedish CV-90 IFV, rocking a 40mm autocannon and built like a tank's tough cousin. This vehicle doesn't just shrug off anti-tank mines and artillery like a pro, it practically laughs in their face. Ukrainian crews have been putting the CV-90 through its paces, using it for everything from long-range strikes to picking up wounded soldiers. The vehicle's advanced features and user-friendly design have made it a valuable asset in the Ukrainian military's arsenal. But the question remains, how do you support a front line bristling with these powerful vehicles? The answer is simple: artillery. The 155mm self-propelled howitzers, SPGs, including the PZH-2000, Polish Krab, and M109, have been vital assets in Ukraine's artillery arsenal, offering substantial firepower and mobility. The Bohdana 155mm self-propelled howitzer, a recent addition to Ukraine's artillery arsenal, has proven to be a formidable asset on the battlefield. Designed to emulate advanced Western systems like Sweden's Archer and France's Caesar, the Bohdana features a 155mm gun mounted on an 8-wheeled chassis, allowing it to combine mobility with heavy firepower. It boasts a firing range of up to 31 miles and rapid firing rate of 5 rounds per minute, making it highly effective in delivering precision strikes while minimizing exposure to counterfire. The Bohdana's ability to quickly move into position, fire multiple rounds, and relocate before the enemy can respond is just like the mobility of a sports car and the firepower of a dragon. Since its introduction to the front lines in early 2022, the Bohdana has already played a pivotal role in key operations, including the liberation of Snake Island. In Ukraine's artillery lineup, the PZH-2000 is like the cool kid with the latest tech, super armored and packing an automatic loading system that makes other howitzers look like they're still using dial-up. This German powerhouse is a staple of Ukraine's artillery, known for its durability and high firing rate. On the flip side, the Polish Krab, while nimble and straightforward, sometimes feels like it's running on last year's tech. Ukrainian soldiers have found its thinner armor a bit of a weak spot, leading to a few more oops moments under fire. And then there's the M109, the classic American model that's built like your old dependable car. It gets the job done, but doesn't have the bells and whistles of the newer models. Together, the PZH-2000's cutting-edge features, the Krab's practical mobility, and the M109's reliability create a balanced artillery strategy. It's like having a team of specialists where each one has their own unique flair. Once the howitzers have done their thing, it's time for the real showstoppers: rocket launchers. First comes the M142 HIMARS, the weapon that keeps Putin up at night due to its ability to strike deep inside Russia. Armed with 6 guided rockets, HIMARS can strike targets up to 43.5 miles away with remarkable precision, disrupting Russian logistics and command structures deep behind enemy lines. As we see in this video, Ukrainian HIMARS artillery struck a critical bridge over the same river in the Kursk region, cutting off Russian reinforcements. The bridge, already punctured by precision strikes, collapsed, forcing Russian troops into a dangerous detour, while a second nearby bridge now faces similar attacks. Following closely, the M270 Multiple Launch Rocket System (MLRS) plays a crucial role. This system, with its capacity to launch 12 rockets, mirrors HIMARS in range and precision, but offers a higher volume of fire. It's like HIMARS on double-shot espresso. The M270's rockets, such as the M31A1 and the M30A1, can accurately strike targets with minimal deviation, ensuring that fewer rockets are needed to achieve desired effects. The advanced guidance systems of both HIMARS and M270 MLRS are essential for effective engagement, making them invaluable assets for Ukraine in disrupting Russian operations. In contrast, the RM-70 Vampire, while capable of delivering firepower, has not had the same strategic impact. Its older technology and less precise targeting compared to HIMARS and M270 MLRS limit its effectiveness in shaping the battlefield. Despite its range and capacity, the RM-70 has not been as influential in the conflict, highlighting the superiority of more modern systems in current warfare dynamics. From delivering a barrage of rockets to pinpointing targets far behind enemy lines, there's one more tool that's turning heads: tactical ballistic missiles that strike without warning. ATACMS has proven highly effective in Ukraine's arsenal, demonstrating significant impact with its impressive range of up to 186.4 miles. This long-range capability has allowed Ukrainian forces to target and destroy critical Russian military assets, including MiG-31 aircraft, a missile corvette, and infrastructure like the Kerch ferry crossing. The precision and reach of ATACMS, coupled with its ability to carry cluster or unitary warheads, makes it a formidable tool for disrupting Russian operations deep behind enemy lines. As we see in this video, Ukraine targets a Russian training ground with US-supplied ballistic missiles, delivering precise, devastating strikes. The footage captures the moment of impact, showing powerful explosions that disrupt military preparations. In contrast, the Scalp EG cruise missiles, while still packing a punch, come with a few shortcomings. With a range of around 155.3 miles, they're like ATACMS' little cousin who can't quite throw the ball as far. This shorter range, combined with the limited number of Ukrainian Su-24M bombers adapted to carry these missiles, restricts their operational flexibility. The Scalp's advanced guidance system allows for precise strikes, but the constraints on delivery platforms and range make it less versatile than the ATACMS. The Storm Shadow, while similar in function to Scalp, faces the same challenges regarding range and platform availability. Despite its effective targeting capabilities, the missile's limited operational reach and dependence on fewer delivery systems make it less impactful compared to the ATACMS, which offers superior range and flexibility, enhancing Ukraine's strategic options in the conflict. While missiles strike from the sky, another low-cost, high-impact tool reshaping the battlefield is FPV drones. Priced at around $500 each, these drones are a fraction of the cost of traditional artillery shells, which can exceed $8,000. This affordability allows Ukrainian forces to deploy and replace drones frequently, maintaining a constant pressure on enemy positions. FPV drones are particularly valued for their tactical flexibility. Their maneuverability enables precise strikes against high-value targets, such as radars, antennas, and even specific components within armored vehicles. They're the true underdog story, packing a punch with minimal collateral damage and proving you don't need a Hollywood budget to make a big impact. More than 2/3 of Russian tanks destroyed by Ukrainian forces recently have been targeted using these drones. FPV drones can carry up to 10 pounds of explosives, making them effective for disabling or destroying high-value targets. As we can see in this video, a $4 million Russian T-80 BVM tank was destroyed by a $500 Ukrainian drone near Avdiivka. FPV drones offer a savvy battlefield advantage, allowing operators to stay cozy and safe a few miles behind the front lines, much like a gamer in a comfy chair while the action happens on screen. This setup keeps them out of the crossfire and away from artillery, while still letting them nail precise attacks. With only the antenna peeking out, operators are pretty much in stealth mode. Even when Russian forces try to jam signals, Ukrainian operators counter with frequency hopping and automated flight patterns. Think of it like dodging cyber bullets. As a result, FPV drones have become a crucial component of Ukraine's military strategy, reflecting the evolving nature of modern warfare, where innovative, cost-effective technologies play a pivotal role. While FPV drones deliver precise strikes from above, let's shift our focus back to the ground where another powerful force rolls forward: tanks. In the Ukraine war, tanks have been repurposed from their traditional roles into that of self-propelled guns, making all available models suitable for current combat needs. The Ukrainian and Russian forces are not engaging in classic tank battles where speed and armor thickness are decisive. Instead, tanks like the Leopard 1, Leopard 2, Abrams, and Challengers, alongside the T-64, T-72, T-80, and the M55S, are utilized primarily for their artillery capabilities. This adaptation reflects their widespread use and firepower rather than their historical attributes. The recent influx of advanced tanks from Western allies, such as the Leopard 2, M1 Abrams, and Challenger 2, has added significant firepower to the Ukrainian forces. Yet the effectiveness of these tanks in the current context hinges more on their operational role as self-propelled guns than on their technological superiority. Last but not least, to counter relentless aerial assault from above, missiles, drones, and airstrikes, Ukraine relies on advanced air defense systems that act as the protective shield. Air defense systems like the Patriot, German IRIS-T SLM, and NASAMS have become pivotal in mitigating the aerial threats posed by Russian forces. The Patriot system, renowned for its long-range capabilities, has been instrumental in intercepting ballistic missiles and high-altitude threats, providing a significant boost to Ukraine's ability to protect critical infrastructure in urban centers from Russian missile strikes. Its sophisticated radar and targeting systems enable it to track and engage multiple targets simultaneously, making it a formidable asset in Ukraine's air defense strategy. Similarly, the German IRIS-T SLM and NASAMS have demonstrated their effectiveness in the battlefield. The IRIS-T SLM offers a medium-range solution with excellent precision and a high kill probability against various aerial threats, including aircraft and drones. Its advanced radar system and missile guidance technology enhance Ukraine's ability to intercept and destroy incoming threats at a shorter range compared to the Patriot. As we see in this video, how Ukraine's air defense system shot down 35 Shahed drones from Russia aimed at Kyiv. From armored vehicles and artillery to missiles and drones, the weapons of the Russia-Ukraine war have shown that effectiveness is not just about firepower. It's about how, when, and where these tools are used. Which of these weapons do you think is the real MVP? Let us know in the comments.